Welcome to PennEngineering's Industry 4.0 transformation journey, where lean principles and cutting-edge technologies unite to create a coherent synergy. With a focus on people and sustainability, we redefine manufacturing for a smarter, agile and resilient future.
Vertical and horizontal integration has allowed us to create a connected value stream from suppliers to customers. Everyone uses the same data, delivering a single source of truth. We've come a long way on our digital transformation, which has been driven by market needs and powered by our people.